fucking crazy. Woo. This is amazing. This is, oh my God, man. Biggest come up ever. $600 camera. Boom. Now we in the game. Where are we and what are we doing?
We're at Volcanic Creek and we're frolicking and soaking up the nature vibe.
Whoa, this is dope.
This is gorgeous. It's the Pacific Northwest and the most nourishing place to be.
So basically, what's good? So basically I'm in the woods with these purple hair. This woo! Out on a random trail in the Northwest with a jacket on with the purple hair twins. You don't get to hike in the beautiful Northwest with some purple hair twins every day. This is a great send-off. Eating some cauliflower right now? That'd be epic. Eat some cauliflower on a big ass tree. This is dope. Check this shit out. Look at this shit. This is crazy. So basically last night we went to J-Pub. This is hilarious. We went to, much better than J-Pub. We went to J-Pub, played some pool. What else did we do last night? We went to 13 Coins.
Pizza, baked eggs.
Got some baked eggs. Some Aki tuna.
Just falling on the floor drunk.
She was falling on the floor drunk. And then you guys start talking about crystal hiking. I'm like, what is crystal digging? I'm like, what is crystal mining? What is crystal mining? So I'm like, I gotta check out this crystal mining shit. So they're like, all right, we're leaving at 9 in the morning. So just stay with us. So I ended up staying with them. And then here we are. We're in some random trail.
We're in a lagoon.
We're in a lagoon. We're in a Northwest lagoon. Mermaid purple hair twins.
I think this is a little bit better because that was really cool, right? That one Damn.
Damn, right?
Dang. You want to go further now? You want to go further? Of Earth came when Mount St. Helens exploded in the 80s. So this is ash. So this is a layer of ash from that year. So this like shows the years of this
This
Earth.
Black stuff?
This right here, the gray. That's
this
Mount
gray
St.
stuff
Helens
is that's a
all
lot
the
of
way
ash.
around. See that?
Oh, this like light gray.
Caked, yeah. It caked the planet.
Oh
all
my
the way
God.
Worldwide, but here it is.
Yeah.
Oh
so
my
it's
God.
like a timeline of the Earth through the soil.
Holy
Pretty
shit.
Cool. Yeah.
That's where Mount St. Helens exploded. If you guys don't know, where like We're in the Northwest.
I think it was like 1980.
Seattle.
1980 or something.
This is like what, 40 minutes from Seattle?
We're about an hour from Seattle.
About an hour from Seattle, motherfuckers. Mount St. Helens ash. Seeing some crazy volcano explosion residue.
Are you not from here?
No, I'm from here. But this is for all my friends that are not from here. That they have no idea like where we are.
Yeah. Here we are.
Here we are.
We're here.
Beautiful.
You made it.
Beautiful Northwest, baby.
How old do you think that tree is?
How old do you think that tree is?
Hundreds and hundreds.
Hundreds?
Hundreds.
$100 bill. $100 bill. Ew.
It's like Boulder.
Woo!
Go
Introduce
down.
her to her. Say what's good to Blake.
Hi, Blake. Hope it's good. It's double rye out here.
Double rye. Getting on a hike in the Northwest. So I met up with Riley last night at J Pub. Played some pool. Got some baked eggs at 13 coins. Baked eggs are bomb, by the way.
Hot fire.
Oh my god, it's chilly. I'm getting a runny nose. This is so exciting.
You're cleansing.
I'm cleansing.
He's cleansing.
Anyways, she invited me to go on a hike, so this is perfect. Second to last day.
Rise.
Raincoat, rise. Second to last day in Seattle. I leave tomorrow night for Vietnam, and I haven't gone on a hike yet this whole summer in Washington. I mean, it was just perfect that I met up with her.
It's like
It's always-
the peak of the beginning of fall.
It's like the very beginning of fall, like it's getting chilly.
Lush green.
So I get to experience a little bit of chilliness, which was good. I get to experience just a hint of fall. And then in 2 days, I'm gonna be in the sweatiest, humidest weather of Vietnam.
Oh look, a fuzzy.
Seriously?
So speaking of fungus.
Is that another fuzzy poo?
That's a fuzzy poo, just for you, Blake.
This is a fuzzy poo for you, Sam. Have you ever seen a fuzzy poo?
Only if you're lucky.
Check that out.
That's an ancient blessing.
God, this camera is so sick.
It's amazing.
Oh my god, check this out, guys. Check this out. Look at that. Look at that big ass waterfall. That's sick. Woo.
Look at all the people.
That's probably cold. Yo, I've never seen someone fly fish before in my life. Shouts to Hans, fly fishing king. This guy's doing it in the waterfall. You can do that? You can fly fish in the middle of a humongous waterfall. That's crazy, this is amazing. Just finished that hike, that was amazing. I'm so fucking happy I got to do that. Thanks for that hike, guys.
Yeah, I'm glad you
Anytime,
came.
brother.
This is where Purple Girl works.
What's really happening?
Yeah. Shauna, what's good? Yeah.
They think it's a picture, but it's really a camera.